The SunFounder ESP32 Ultimate Starter Kit is an excellent choice for anyone from beginners to experienced makers, offering over 100 projects that range from basic electronics to advanced Internet of Things applications. With more than 320 high-quality components, including a rechargeable battery, this kit provides flexibility and portability for your learning and experimenting needs. The kit comes with over 50 comprehensive video tutorials that guide users step by step through various setups, including Bluetooth control and smart home automation. Supporting 3 programming languages, Arduino, C++, MicroPython, and Scratch, this kit is perfect for beginners aged 8 and above to explore the ESP32 platform. The SunFounder ESP32 Kit supports popular Internet of Things platforms like OpenWeatherMap and Home Assistant, allowing users to create real-world connected solutions. A versatile hardware setup, including a battery-supported camera extension, enables real-time video streaming and image capture, enhancing your IoT project capabilities.